Hey guys!
Welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, and welcome to Hogsback.
So we got here yesterday actually.
Yeah.
But we drove around a lot yesterday looking for a shop to go and do some grocery shopping. So we didn't really film that much yesterday, and obviously it was our travel day as well.
A lot of traveling. We landed early in the morning and only got to the accommodation just past 2. Yeah. So it was a long day
of traveling, but we are here and we're here till Sunday. And yeah, we're here to celebrate my birthday.
Happy birthday! Today is Cass's birthday.
Yeah, so we're here with Brad's parents and my parents, and yeah, we've just come to really just relax and just get away and
enjoy a unique experience.
Yeah, this is a really unique accommodation. So obviously we'll put footage in here of the teepees and the communal kitchen area and the bathrooms and everything, but we pretty much, all the teepees are here. There's 4 teepees. So each of us have our own teepee, and inside we have like a little fireplace, and it's really cool. So yeah, this is what we're doing for the next, how many days left? 4. 4 more days.
4 more days.
So yeah, it's just a really cool experience, and we hope you guys enjoy this vlog with us.
Yes.
I'm sorry I've shown you my dark when all
Okay, so
off to town?
We're heading into town now.
It's about a 36-second drive.
Literally from where we're staying. So we didn't even mention earlier, but we're staying at a place called Magical Teepee Experience. So I'll also link that down below for you guys to check out. So from the accommodation to the main little Hogsback town is literally like 3 minutes. We've got some animals. Oh, they're loving each other. So we had to take 2 cars because not all 6 of us could fit in one car. So I'm driving with Brad now in the bakkie.
Yeah, we had to get a bakkie
for all the
all the luggage could go in the back. So it's only a 2-seater, but it's for all the luggage. And then we got another smallish car, which four can drive in. So there's 6 of us. So it just made sense.
Yeah. So now we're just heading off to town, and we're just gonna go see if there's anything we can do in town. There's a few little restaurants and things, and tonight we're also gonna, it's very bumpy, tonight we're also gonna go eat at the Hogsback Inn.
Yeah, the historic Hogsback Inn was founded in 1880.
Sure. So that's where we're going for birthday dinner for me tonight. That's gonna be so nice. Apparently the food is amazing there, so I'm really looking forward to that. But anyways, yeah, let's go see what we can do in town.
Let's see what there is.
This is what the road looks like. It's super bumpy.
In Hogsback. No tar in Hogsback.
No, this is Hogsback roads. So it's really bumpy.
Cheers, Kes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you.
Tequila and then the lemon. Ja. Jy sommer sit die hele ding in jou.
This is the Tabasco hits you,
So we just had a nice lunch.
I'm full now, hey?
Yeah, I'm also full. I don't know how we're gonna eat dinner tonight
Face is
still.
a bit red.
And now we're gonna go to a bath on a cliff. So we're gonna go and go check it out. And then going for a little short hike after that. Okay?
Yeah.
It's gonna be interesting to see. Oh, shame the doggy. Okay, so let's go see this bath on the cliff, and then we'll see if we're gonna do the hike after.
Yeah, I think we are.
It's a little waterfall, hey, that he said.
Yeah, he said it's not the best one, but it's a close walk.
Okay. Cool, so
check it
let's
out.
go.
Red eyes and romance with plans we don't know yet. People that we'll talk about when we both get older and time becomes honest, and there's not much of it left. Oh, I'll sing the same songs about you, that if you know till my inside of my chest would be my last request. Alone, I've got no chance without you. I'm hopeless like a house with no destination. So come rest your head and over when the world turns its shoulder. We'll be there like no one else can. Swear I'll never change.
Okay, so a little update. We went and saw the waterfall. Then we got back to the teepees, and we kind of just chilled. in the kitchen area, and yeah.
Feels like we ate 5 minutes ago, but we're off to eat again. So.
And now we're off to dinner at the Hogsback Inn, and I think it's going to be really nice. It's been a really nice birthday. Thank you, my love.
Oh, thanks to everyone.
Yeah, thanks to everyone that's come
Family.
along on our trip. I've had so much fun today. It's been really, really nice. So yeah, let's go have dinner.
Yeah, I'm going to the Yellowstone for dinner.
Yeah, it looks like
The
Yellowstone.
Yellowstone Ranch.
And then after that we're gonna probably make a little bonfire and sit around the bonfire, and then get to bed again. Okay.
Make another fire in the teepee.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
My heart stops inside of my chest. You be my last request.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You don't put in yours. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. The camera battery's dead, but I just wanted to say that I had a really
why
nice...
is your battery dead?
Hey?
Why is it dead and why can't you charge it? Load shedding.
There's
Even
load shedding. We've got
Hogsback.
the torch going in here and the fire.
Even Hogsback has load shedding. I thought they were immune to load shedding.
But I had a really, really nice birthday, and I just wanted to say thanks.
Oh,
I've got this on my head because I ain't letting anything crawl in my ears at night. There
Like
were
an
spiders
Egyptian.
coming down from the roof last night, and I don't want things crawling in my ears. And I also don't want my hair to smell like smoke, so this is why I'm sleeping with this on.
you cute. You look nice.
Thanks. But we just wanted to say that we hope you enjoyed today, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Night, night.
Night.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, guys. Welcome back to another day in the Hogsback life.
In the Hogsy. It's a beautiful day.
It
It's
really
a beautiful,
is.
not a breath of wind.
The
Nice
sun is out.
Yeah.
It's a really, really nice day. So today we are going on another hike to a waterfall, a bigger waterfall. It's about a 45-minute hike there and back, hey?
Yeah, 45
minutes
minutes there, 45 minutes back.
So that's the main plan for today. We haven't really got any other plans besides doing that. And yeah, it's been really, really nice so far. Yesterday was a really nice day. I had a really nice birthday.
I also had a really nice birthday.
It was such a nice
awesome,
day.
yeah.
We had some really nice food, and last night's food was really, really nice. At the Hogsback Inn, it was delicious.
Yeah.
So today, joining us on the hike is my parents, my mom and my dad. We're gonna go hiking together to the waterfall.
Yeah,
And-
it's called Madonna and Child.
Yeah.
Don't know why, but we'll see when we get there. I
Yeah,
guess.
yesterday's was called 39 Steps. Was that waterfall yesterday? So
Yeah.
today we're doing another one. And then we'll probably just see what we're going to do afterwards, but so far that's the only plan.
I
for
think we're
today.
gonna bra and bonfire later.
Yeah, that will be nice.
Yeah.
Just spend some time here
Yeah.
at the teepees
Yeah.
and just enjoy where we're staying. So yeah, it's going to be a nice day.
It's gonna be an awesome day.
One thing that we forgot to mention yesterday, so like we said, each teepee, my mom, each teepee,
Popping out a
obviously,
teepee.
obviously we each have our own teepee, so there's a total of 4 teepees here. And then each teepee also has its own bathroom, so you don't have to share a bathroom with anybody, which is really nice.
Yeah.
And then obviously, like we mentioned, there is a communal area, like a kitchenette type of thing with a big table, where we all gather for like breakfast and stuff and coffee in the morning and that, which is really nice.
Yeah.
But a nice thing is that each of the teepees have their own toilet. So obviously the toilets aren't in the teepee, you've got to walk a little bit, but yeah, it's not too far to the toilet.
No.
So that's something that's also really nice about this. And then another thing, if you are going to come to Magical Teepee Experience, there's only a little Save More spa down the road. There's not really any big, there is in the towns, but they're a bit dodgy.
No, yeah, but I mean, you can get everything that you need from this
the little
Save More spa. They've got a nice selection of meat, and you know, you get your tea and your coffee and all of that. And then there's also a lot of nice little restaurants to eat. Yesterday we ate at the Lighthouse. It's a steak ranch. The hotel, we ate at the hotel. There's a few coffee shops. Yeah, there's everything you need is in this town. So you know, you don't need to, from the airport coming here, you don't need to stop anywhere else. Just come straight here and you'll get everything.
Yeah, that's the mistake we made.
Yeah.
On the first day, on the Tuesday when we got here, we tried to go to like bigger spas, and yeah, they're not in the best of areas. So yeah, I think just come straight here and go to the Save More. The Save More is literally 3 minutes down the road. Everything is basically 3 minutes down the road. Yeah, it's really, really close. So yeah, that's one thing we forgot to mention and just thought we'd mention today.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go do our waterfall hike. Hopefully it's going to be really, really beautiful.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah,
got my sun cream on, I've got my hat, I've got my hiking boots. So yeah, it's going to be sick.
It's a really, really nice day. So yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
I've been spending far too much time with my headphones on. I've been learning all the words as I listen to the same old songs. 'Cause it's so comfortable when you know how it goes, I suppose, to each their own. And once out of sight, but today I'll invite something new into my home. So darkness, darkness, come on in. I won't hide from you again. The unknown lives when lights go dim. So here we are, let's begin.
Maybe better.
Be afraid when a stranger walks in.
Go before you.
I'll just pour a little glass, grab a seat and ask him where he's been. 'Cause I'm looking for nothing less than something more of the things I have not seen. I know in advance there's a risk, there's a chance this could all backfire on me. So darkness, darkness, come on in. I won't hide from you again. The unknown lives when lights go dim. So here we are, let's begin. No, I won't hold back and I won't keep out the dark. I know we don't talk about. I'll have my fears, but I'll have no doubt. It's at my door and it's knocking. So darkness, darkness, my friend. Light your feet out, you come on in. All of us, let's make something. I'm ready now, let's begin. So darkness, darkness, come on in. I won't hide from you again. The unknown lives when lights go dim. So here we are, let's begin. I'm ready now, let's begin.
Oh, the ones with the We must get some.
What's going on?
It's fun.
It's been a long day for change. It's been a long way, but I'm not lost. I'm not lost. I'm on my way.
Did you gonna try?
Yeah. Here at the labyrinth.
Labyrinth.
It's a bit underwhelming. We thought there was going to be like a maze, like ages. It's still nice though. It's definitely going to be nice from the top view. Oh, and the view is really nice, eh?
Yeah, the view's nice.
All my troubles away, and I'm not lost. I'm not lost. I'm on my way. Take me to the river. I'm gonna pour myself a drink. Take me to the river. I'm gonna wash myself away. I'm not lost. I'm not lost.
Okay, so we had a really, really nice day.
Yeah, as always.
We did that Madonna and Child waterfall and hike, which was really, really, really nice. I think that was the highlight of my day.
It was tough though.
It was tough, yeah.
It was a bit tough.
It was really
It
tough.
was very worth it.
Yeah, so worth it. And then after that we went to the Edge for lunch, and we went to the labyrinth, which was a bit of a letdown again.
It looks nice on a drone, but don't let us
Yeah,
fool you. It's
the
not.
drone footage is really nice, but
Yeah.
it's like not what we expected at
Yeah.
all. We expected it to be like a maze, and it wasn't like that. So there's a few things here in Hogsback that are not what they seem. But anyways, it was a super nice day.
Yeah, it was awesome.
And then we ended it off with you guys braaiing
yeah,
and
a bonfire,
a bonfire.
bit of rain.
Yeah, there was a little bit of rain. And now we're back in our teepee.
The fire is
We're about to go to
burning
bed.
so nicely.
This is the fire. So nice. There's no electricity again.
Yeah, load shedding. Even Hogsback has load shedding.
But this is so nice. This is where we're sleeping. This is what it looks like at night.
Our furnace.
Look at that fire.
Our fire furnace. So that's what you literally fall asleep to. That
Yeah,
crackling
you fall asleep to this and sounds of frogs and crickets and
monkeys.
yeah, screaming monkeys
Yeah.
and the dogs barking. But
Yeah.
it's really, 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 really nice and peaceful here. So anyways, we're just gonna end off today
Say good night.
and say goodnight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for another day. We're not sure what we're doing yet, but we'll see tomorrow. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
Night.
We forgot to mention we're also eating this lemon meringue that we bought. Well, my parents bought
It's so
today.
tough to have a bite because it gets all over the place.
Oh, but this is the laugh, eh?
It's so good to be alive.
It's literally in your nose.
It's so good to be alive in South Africa.
Okay, so we're gonna eat our lemon meringue and then we're gonna go to bed. Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Welcome back to another day.
Same bench.
Same spot every
There
day.
is more benches in this place, by the way.
Yeah, every teepee has their own bench. But anyways, same spots, different day, same place.
Yes.
So this morning we are off to, what's it called?
St. Patrick's Chapel.
St.
think
Patrick's
it's
Chapel.
The only chapel in Hogsback.
Yeah, it looks really old and like, what do you call it?
Vintage.
Old and
Historic
vintage.
and
Yeah, so we're gonna go and see that. And then we're gonna see if we can find a forest that we saw on our way in, and we'll go maybe take some pictures there.
Yeah. And then I think we're doing beer tasting.
Beer
as well,
tasting.
If it's open today.
Yeah, maybe. Well, I won't be doing any beer
No, well,
tasting.
and then just grab some lunch.
Beer tasting and then probably lunch. So
Yeah.
it's gonna be a super chill day again. Yesterday wasn't that chill though, but we went hiking and things. But it's gonna be a super chill day. It's another really nice day. The sun is out.
A little bit colder today.
It is a little bit colder today. It was colder last night as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, just another day in the Hog's life.
Chilling in the Hog's life.
So we hope you guys enjoy today with us.
Yeah. Come along.
Yeah, let's go.
Caught up in the night as the constellations glow. Wonder in our eyes as our story now unfolds. Holding on to all that we could be. Burning hearts, we're dancing on a dream. Falling stars, touching down in this moment. We are gone.
I'm putting RPAs.
The Smash Parrots come stone long.
Falling stars, touching down in this moment. We are golden. Falling stars, touching down.
Another night in the Hog's life.
Fire.
Making a fire. Trying to dry my towel because it's sopping wet. Whew. Already found a spider in my pillow.
Spiders for you, eh?
This is what the teepee actually looks like at night. We've got to open the flap at the top, and then the smoke and that goes up the top. Oh yeah, the fairy lights go on. So that's with the fairy lights all the way around. This is what our teepee looks like at night. It's a bit of a mess. Anyways,
there's nowhere to look.
Yeah, there's no. That's the only thing I'll say. The floor is not solid. Well, it's solid, but it doesn't have like flooring. There's holes. Yeah, it's like a deck. So there's holes in, so the bugs and stuff are coming through the holes. And then there's no like little storage cupboard space. But I mean, we've been living out of our bags now for the last 4 days. But yeah, we had a good day.
And one thing I can say, I've always done it, when you travel, just have a washing bag.
Yeah, we brought our own.
World of difference.
We bring our own washing bag.
You don't have mixed clean clothes with dirty clothes.
Yeah.
You just have one washing bag.
Especially if you've got to live out your suitcase like this.
Or if you're traveling from place to place. Even if you're not, I think it's one of the best things to have.
Yeah. And then also the bed is on like pallets. So yeah, I sleep with my pillow against the pallet so I don't get bugs on my head. And I sleep with my scarf around my head as well. But anyways.
And that's where the fire must go up into. Out the top.
But yeah, we had a good day. We did very little today. We, what did we do this morning?
We went to the St. Patrick's Church.
Oh yes, we went to St. Patrick's Church, and then from there we looked for our forest that we took some, well, Brad took some photos of me in my Harry Potter kit. And then from there that's a bit high.
It is.
From there we went to beer tasting.
Yeah.
And then came back here, had a little nap. I only slept for like 20 minutes. You slept nice, everyone else slept nice. And then went out for a very nice dinner. Again at the Hogsback
The
Inn.
historic Hogsback Inn.
Tonight I had lamb curry and you had bangers and mash. And yeah, it's been very nice. And now we're just making sure there's no bugs in our bed.
Cold.
It is so cold tonight.
Tonight's very icy.
I hope that maybe we do get a little bit of snow tomorrow if this is the weather tonight.
Yeah.
But anyways, we had a good day, so we're gonna say night.
Night.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow for basically our last day here.
Yeah. Rugby.
Yeah, tomorrow is the rugby, but we're going to see the big tree tomorrow. We're gonna do that little hike and then go for brekkie and then come back here and then go for rugby.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lacquer day.
Yeah,
It's
our
the
last
weekend.
full day.
Yeah, shame.
Okay, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I've been here before, this happy ever after, knocking on the door.
Early morning hike to the big tree. It's freezing today, but morning.
Hey, morning.
It's really cold today, but we're gonna go see the big tree. We're here with mom and dad. It's so cold. What is the temperature?
About 3 degrees.
We're with the other adventurers of the group.
No, my mom and dad own a teepee.
Brad's parents are not feeling great, so we're gonna go have a waffle afterwards. That's gonna be so good. We have some friends right outside our teepee.
Your life, I won't let it go to waste. Time was told me we're scared the most of these things we can't control. No, oh, understand. The folly of
We're leaving!
Home to our doggies.
We're just doing a quick. So we're leaving. We're just gonna do a quick final check of our teepee and just make sure that we have everything
Yeah.
packed, and then
Home to our doggies.
Yeah, home to our doggies and our own bed and our own everything. No more corals. And then we didn't even finish last night, but basically yesterday we just went on that hike to the big tree. It was very intense coming back up. Hey?
Yeah.
It was a very intense hike, and then we went to a little market that they had. I think there was like only 5 stalls though. It
Yeah,
wasn't
so
like, it wasn't
5
like
or
a
6
proper
tables.
market. And then from there we came back
home,
here.
had a sleep.
Yeah, had a nap,
And the rugby
and then we
baskets.
went and watched the rugby. And now we're all leaving. We're just having a little quick something to eat, checking our teepees, and then we're gonna head to the airport.
Yeah.
But it's been really lovely.
It has been a cool experience.
It really has.
But yeah, I think it gets to a point where enough is enough.
Yeah,
eh?
enough is enough of this glamping.
Yeah. So,
Anyways,
but it was really cool experience, and I'm
really
glad that
was.
we did it. And yeah, I had a lot of fun. I really did.
Yeah, me too. It was really awesome. So yeah, I think we're just gonna end off here. So if you guys enjoyed our Hogsback vlog, then please subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you soon for our gender reveal.
Yeah.
That's
and
the
we
next
hope
vlog.
You enjoyed this vlog.
Yeah, we really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry, we filmed it on the phone because the camera is now full of videos and pictures. And I didn't bring another memory card. So anyways, we hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, thanks so much for watching.
See you at the gender reveal.
Bye. For the last time.
For the last time we close our teepee.
Bye, TP. Bye. Thanks for the memories.